Who were the ancient Romans? What is the historical context in which they emerged? What were the key cultural, social, political, and economic features of their civilization? What legacy did they leave behind? All these questions and more will be addressed in this video. The Roman Empire was a vast and influential civilization that lasted from the 8th century BC to the 5th century AD. It was centered in Rome, a city located in central Italy, and at its height, it controlled much of Europe, Western Asia, and North Africa. The Roman Empire was known for its military might, its system of government, and its contributions to art, literature, and architecture. The Roman Republic, which preceded the empire, was one of the first democracies in the world and laid the foundation for many modern democratic systems. The Roman Empire was ruled by an emperor, who had absolute power, and was advised by a council of senators. The Romans were skilled engineers and built a network of roads, aqueducts, and public buildings that helped to connect and unite the empire. The Romans made significant contributions to literature, art, and architecture. Roman writers such as Virgil, Horace, and Ovid are still widely read and studied today, and Roman art and architecture, including the Colosseum and the Pantheon, continue to inspire and influence artists and architects. The Romans were also known for their advances in engineering and technology. They developed sophisticated systems for heating and lighting buildings, as well as for sewage and waste disposal. They also made important contributions to mathematics, astronomy, and medicine. The Roman Empire had a profound impact on the development of Western civilization, and its influence can still be seen in many aspects of modern life. Its system of government, literature, art, and technology have all had a lasting impact on the world and continue to shape the way we live today. Despite its eventual decline and fall, the Roman Empire remains one of the most important and influential civilizations in human history. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for additional content.